So okay guys, here in this video we're gonna show you this one bed that's really a mess. I forgot to take the video because it was such a such a hot mess with weed and overgrown flowers and all that stuff. So we already put hands and did a lot of pulling out. Look at this little pile that we got. Yes, sweetheart, those are seeds. Okay, so this is how much we already took out. It's quite a lot, but I want to show you how to take a bed like this from this shape and really bring it to life and make it beautiful. Okay, so here is just arranging it, putting the stones here. So I've gone ahead and trimmed some of these flowers because last fall the people didn't do it, so now they are blooming, but we just have to trim some because it's too bushy and people won't be able to see the mulch, and the mulch is so beautiful. We want them to enjoy it. It's pleasant to the eye. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do here. There are a lot of dead ones. These flowers already bloomed, so I'm not sure how we're gonna shake it up and remove some of the dead leaves and all that stuff. So let's get going. I think we're gonna trim it some. Okay, so I'll show you the after work. Okay, here it is, some really beautiful flowers.
Mommy?
Yes, sweetheart.